Working in civil construction? Trimble Stratus lets you measure and manage your worksite yourself. Drone-captured images become interactive 3D models. Use Trimble Stratus' powerful point-and-click tools to track and analyze site changes. Create your own estimates quickly. Conduct your own topo surveys before the job begins and whenever changes occur. Accurately calculate overall material volumes added or removed from pits, piles, and channels. Upload your design files and previous surveys to see accurate surface-to-surface comparisons and ensure work is on track. A visual timeline keeps everyone on the same page. Track site changes, avoid crossed wires, and resolve disputes quickly. Build and export detailed PDF and Excel reports in minutes with easy cloud annotation tools. Export data in the format you want to fit how you work. Share visualizations, insights, and instructions with on- and off-site teams and keep the head office in the loop. Get more done with a clear view of where you are and where you're headed. Measure and manage your site yourself with Trimble Stratus. For more information, visit construction.trimble.com.